Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start the MCQs in Physics challenge. Physics is a very important subject as far as Neet UG is concerned because if you score good marks in physics, it is most likely that you are getting selected into the MBBS college in a government medical college or AIMS. Let us begin with the first question. A body is moving on a circular path. In some time, the arc of circle is moved by it, makes an angle of 100 degree at the center. Then the angle between the average velocity in this time and instantaneous velocity is A 50 degree, B 100 degree, C 150 degree, and D 200 degree. What do you think is the correct answer here? It is 50 degree. If the angle between vector A and B is an acute angle, then the difference AB is A the main diagonal of parallelogram, the minor diagonal of parallelogram, C any of the above, D none of the above. It is the minor diagonal of parallelogram. Two forces are such that the sum of their magnitudes is 18 Newton and the magnitude of their resultant is 12 Newton. If the resultant is perpendicular to smaller forces, then the magnitude of forces are they are 13 Newton, A 12 Newton, 6 Newton, B 13 Newton, 5 Newton, C 10 Newton, 8 Newton, D 16 Newton, 2 Newton. The correct answer here is B 13 Newton, 5 Newton. Please click the link in the description to join the ultimate Neet UG Breakthrough Blueprint Masterclass. It covers all the physics, chemistry, and biology in a holistic manner so that your score is improved in the original Neet exam. A river is flowing from west to east at a speed of 5 meters per minute. A man on the south bank of river capable of swimming at 10 meters per minute in still water wants to swim across the river in the shortest possible time. He should swim in a direction A. Due north, B. 30° east of north, C. 30° west of north, D. 60° east of north. He must swim due north. Following set of three forces act on a body whose resultant cannot be zero. A 10 10 10, B 10 10 20, C 10 20 20, D 10 20 40. So all the three are different. The resultant cannot be zero. So it is 10 20 40. A physical quantity which has a direction A must be a vector, may be a vector, must be a scalar, D none of the above. It may be a vector. So correct answer here is D. A launch takes 3 hours to go downstream from point A to point B and 6 hours to come back. Time taken by this launch to cover the distance AB downstream when its engine is cut off is A 3 hours, B 6 hours, C 9 hours, D 12 hours. It is 12 hours. Which one is correct? Resultant of two vectors of unequal magnitude can be 0. B. Resultant of three non-coplanar vectors of equal magnitude can be 0. C. Resultant of three coplanar vector is always 0. D. Minimum number of non-coplanar vectors whose resultant can be 0 is 4. It is minimum number of non-coplanar vectors whose resultant can be 0 is 4. D. A body covered a distance of 5 meters along a semicircular path. The ratio of distance to displacement is A 11 is to 1, B 12 is to 5, C 8 is to 3, D 7 is to 5. It is 11 is to 7. Please click the link in the description box to join the ultimate Neet UG Breakthrough Blueprint event. It is a 2-day event covering all physics, chemistry, biology in a holistic manner so that you score very good marks in your Neet UG exam. 12 forces each equal to P act on a body. If each force makes an angle of 30 degree with the next one, the resultant of all forces is A 0, B 3p, C 6p, D 12p. It is 0. Two forces are such that the sum of their magnitude is 18 Newton and the resultant is perpendicular to smaller force. Then the magnitude of forces are A 12 Newton 6 Newton, B 13 Newton 5 Newton, C 10 Newton 8 Newton 16 Newton. It is 13 Newton and 5 Newton. There are two forces, one of vector 5n and the other of 12 Newton. At what angle the two vectors be added to get resultant vector of 17n, 7n, 13n respectively? It is 0 degree, 180 degree and 90 degree. Two vectors A and B have equal magnitude, then the vector A plus B is perpendicular to A into B, A minus B, 3A minus 3B, D all of the above. It is all of the out of addition, subtraction, dot product, cross product, the following operations are committed. A dot product and cross product, B addition and subtraction, C subtraction and cross product, D addition and dot product. It is addition and dot product. The dash of two vectors of unequal magnitude may be 0. A scalar product, B addition or subtraction, C scalar or vector product, D none of the above. It is scalar or vector product. In equilateral triangle ABC, AL, BM and CN are medians. Force along BC and BA represented by them will have a resultant represented by 2AL, 2BM, 2CN, DAC. It is 2BM. Which of the following sets of displacement might be capable of returning a car to its starting point? A 4, 6, 8 and 15 km. B 10, 30, 50 and 120 km. C 5, 10, 30 and 50 km. D 50, 50, 75 and 200 km. It is A 4, 6, 8 and 15 km. I started walking down a road to daybreak facing the sun. After walking for some time, I turned to my left. Then I turned to right once again. In which direction was I going? A east, B northwest, C northeast, D south. It is east. A vector A points vertically upwards and B points towards north. This vector A into B is A along west, B along east, C 0, D vertically downward. It is along west. Two forces of 4 dyne and 3 dyne act upon a body. The resultant force on the body can only be A more than 3 dynes, B more than 4 dynes, between 3 and 4 dynes, between 1 and 7 dynes. It is between 1 and 7 dynes. Please click the link in the description box to join the ultimate Neet UG Breakthrough Blueprint event. It covers all the three subjects physics, chemistry, biology in a holistic manner so that you score a very good marks in your Neet UG exam. Wishing you all the best.